This part will now contain the information how to print PIDs. As you know, since before, maybe you can open one and print just one at a time. You can also print from here by selecting like this, and then we can print. You can also actually place yourself up here include subnotes, and then we will get everything inside here. So that is a technique that you can use. The problem with this when you have a lot of drawing as we have here is that it can stall someplace, and then you lose, then you don't know where you are, because as you can see here, Intergraph has a very poor understanding of what the order is. So they start now with unit 56, and then 41, and then 25, and then 24, like this. So it's a little bit poor, and as we do this, we will then we can do update here on this material. What we should do first, as we are going to now make a huge printout of all the PIDs that we have here, is that we are going to do some adjustments. First, you look for the printers you have here. Here we have some printers maybe, and we have the Adobe PDF one here, and we have now to change the content here. Printer preferences. Okay. So what does it says here? It says letter. We should use A4. Prompt Adobe PDF for everyone. No, we will not do that. We will more likely do like this, I think. Drawing files, so we end up with this one. Okay. View Adobe PDF results. We tick that one also. Otherwise it will open one for us also. Not only asking for where to place it. Okay. We go with landscape, and that's it. You can just open to verify that this is now the setting that we have. Yeah. And here we are doing very poorly. We continue to update this as we go along. So what we do then is that we mark the files that we would like to print. Oh, we take this for instance. And then we print. We will check a little bit here first. File. So we get the printer dialog, so we get the right printer. This has been modified. Yeah, probably somebody's working here with it, but okay, we try to print it anyway. Here's the dialog coming. it's not so fast. Then we need to have Adobe here, so that is what we use. Okay, like that. We check the properties then and see if we have, yeah, you see everything has come now from the settings as we were supposed to have. Layout, landscape, perfect. Fit, oh, print black and white, no, you should not have. But maybe we should check here also that we have not any black and white. No, we don't like that. Settings, we will see what happens. Yeah, and then it should come out like this. Then it looks like it should be landscaped and filled here, like we're set. And then we just try to print this like this, and it should not be that problematic. It should tell us where to store, and it just runs through here. Yeah, and it comes up actually also with the tooltip that this is now generated here, so it looks pretty okay. Then this batch will just run. And now you should suggest that you actually take the large units, you do one by one, and then you use this include subnotes, and you take 2 pages maybe at a time, so you see that they actually pass through all. Then when we're finished, it will look like this. We have passed all, and it worked out to print them all. Then we look in the folder if we have any drawings there, documents. Oh, where were we? We were maybe in public and drawings. Drawing files over here, yes. Yeah, it looks proper, and it's the ones that we printed today. They are all here. So what you do now is that you open Adobe Standard, and then we are going to sample this into one file. So from file, but I think this is not the way to go. We should create combined files into single. This is the command we should use. And the thing is that this is now a quite powerful tool, but it's not very well compiled or implemented. So you just drop them here, and it will say that, oh, this is very nice. But if you have a lot of files, it will assemble very, very slow. So what I suggest is to assemble something like 150 files in each lot, and you save them as a handful of lots, and then you take these lots and put them again together as one file. If you have 1,000 files here, it will take one whole day to do it. You will see here how it works, because the order here I think is now okay with 20. It has sorted them according to name here, so that is fine. Okay, then we combine files. So you see, oh, it's fine, it's fast, but it becoming, oh, you cannot see it here, because it's so fast with the 36 fast. But if you have 1000, it will, when you come up to 100, it starts to be slower and slower, and it cannot fit the whole file in the memory, so it starts to use the disk, and then it all of a sudden becomes slow. So do several batches and put them together in the end. But it now ends up like this. We have a lot of nice files like this, and they are now searchable. That is the thing. So if you want to search for a tag here, TT 25 something, we end up somewhere. Here it shows that here we have a text that tells me this one, the next one, and here, and so on. So that is, it's quite useful to do this. And then you just save this. It's saved as a binder, but you can then change the name. So that is how to go about to batch print from SmartPlant in a day. It requires some patience and some work, but it's very handy.